How to get Rainbow Heart on TikTok. To get started, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, go to the capture button and swipe left to view the different filters and effects available. Then, tap on all effects at the bottom. Here you can view and explore all the effects available on TikTok. Now, tap on the search icon as shown. Here you can search for and discover effects. Type in Rainbow Heart in the search bar. Scroll down to explore and select the effect that you like from here. You can now take a photo using this effect. Tap on the capture button to take a photo. Now, you can edit the photo as you like using the edit options on the right. Once you're done, tap on Next at the bottom. Here you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily get Rainbow Heart on TikTok.